Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good morning. Still good morning.
Ma'am, we are again back after a short break.
Yes, welcome back.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning once again. Let everybody join in. Okay, let's wait for another minute.
Good morning, ma'am, again.
Once again, good morning.
And we will start from Bihar.
Yes, now we are going to start from Bihar. We'll start our journey from Bihar. Ah, okay, now whose turn was it to read?
Ma'am, last time, ma'am, about ma'am, Mehul have read about Uttar Pradesh.
All right. Mehul read about Uttar Pradesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Now whose turn it is? It is Devyanshu's turn.
Yes, ma'am.
Devyanshu Dev. Devyanshu Dev, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading the state of Bihar.
Okay, ma'am. Bihar. Bihar lies in the eastern part of India. It is bordered by Nepal to the north, West Bengal in the east, Uttar Pradesh in the west, and Jharkhand in the south. Patna is the capital of Bihar. In 2000, uh, in 2000, a new state called Jharkhand was carved out of the northern part of Bihar. The major rivers flowing through the state are Ganga, the Gandak, Kosi, and Son. Bihar has three major Bihar has three main seasons: summer, monsoon, and winter. As the state has many rivers and the fertile soil is used is used for the cultivation of crops such as sugarcane and vegetables.
Who is
Rice,
talking and is not
pulses,
muted?
and vegetables for the staple food of Bihar. Litter Chokha is one
Litti
of the
Chokha.
most Litti Chokha is one of the most famous dish of Bihar. Bihar is famous for the ma'am, what is written?
Bihar is famous for the Madhubani paintings.
Madhubani paintings. The people also make can and bamboo art, articles and
Daris.
during
Dari.
the um, Bharpur is famous for its fine quality silk. Bihar has many places of historical importance which attracts a lot of tourists. Gautam Buddha spent many years living the perching in Bodh B-O-D-H. What is written? Gaya. Gayak. A
Bodh
city,
Gaya.
Bodh Gaya. A city in Bihar. Nala, Nanda, and ancient
An ancient Buddhist monastery.
Buddhist ancient Buddhist monastery is also situated in Bihar.
Okay. Nalanda, an ancient Buddhist monastery. Now in Bihar, which monastery do we have? We have Nalanda. Nalanda monastery. In the state of Arunachal Pradesh, which monastery we read about?
Ma'am, we read about paper mache.
I'm talking about the monastery of Arunachal Pradesh.
Okay, ma'am.
What is that monastery? Nobody remembers? In the state of Arunachal Pradesh,
No, ma'am.
wasn't it Tong Monastery?
Ma'am, I know.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the Tong Monastery and the Nepal National Park.
Yes, the Toang Monastery in Arunachal Pradesh. And now in Bihar, we have this Nalanda Monastery. Nalanda Buddhist Monastery. Okay. What is the famous food of Bihar? What is the famous food of Bihar? Children, are you not paying attention while reading?
Litti Chokha.
Ma'am, litti chokha.
Yes, it's litti chokha.
Litti Chokha.
Litti chokha is a famous food of Bihar. Everybody open up your cameras.
Ma'am, I am opened.
Everyone open up your cameras. Hurry up.
Ma'am, my video is stopping by itself.
All right, Muhammad Imad, it's your turn to read. Put your camera on and start reading. Muhammad Imad. Muhammad Imad is not there. Let me mark him absent. Then I have this one. After Muhammad Imad.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Is it not coming, children?
Coming.
Ma'am, coming.
Ma'am, it is coming. Ma'am, it is coming.
Okay, it's clear now. Okay, then now it's Devansh Chaudhary's turn.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, West Bengal.
Yes, West Bengal.
Okay, ma'am. West Bengal is situated in the east part of India. The state has a, ma'am, what is this?
Unique location. The state has a unique
location with the Himalayas in the northern and the Bay of Bengal in the south. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal, is situated on the east bank river Hooghly, which, ma'am, what is this?
Which is a distributary of river Ganga. Mark it important. Hooghly is
Okay,
what?
ma'am.
A distributary of river Ganga. Continue.
It flows into the Bay of Bengal along with the river Brahmaputra, forming the
Sundarbans. Sundarbans.
Sundarbans.
Okay, that's all, Devansh. That's all. Now whose turn?
Okay, ma'am.
Bhavishya Gaur is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavishya Gaur, it's your turn now.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, West Bengal is one of the largest.
Yes, read. Largest producer
of rice and jute in India. The hilly area in the
in the northern are famous for producing fine quantity tea. Wheat, potato, and mangoes are also
Cultivated.
cultivated here.
The Sundarbans.
The Sundarbans are home to the Royal Bengal
Tigers.
tigers, rice, and fish are the staple food of West Bengal. The state is also famous for sweet it, rasgulla, and sand,
Sandesh.
sandesh. Bengali is the main language of in West Bengal.
Yes, that's all. Okay, mute yourself now.
Ma'am, it is not Bengali, it is Bengali.
It's Bengali in Hindi, but in English we say Bengali. Okay? Like in Hindi, we say Bengal, Paschim Bengal. And in English, we say West Bengal. So it goes the same way.
Okay, ma'am.
Then whose turn now? It's Adrika Johari's turn. No, it's Anjali's turn first. Anjali, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, she is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Anjali, it's your turn, beta. Start reading.
I'm from where?
From there are many places to visit. Third paragraph in West Bengal.
Okay, ma'am. There are many places to visit in West Bengal. The places of interest in the capital city of Kolkata are the Victoria Memorial, Botanical Gardens, and the Kalighat Kali Temple. The famous, ma'am, what is written after famous?
The famous Havra Bridge.
Havra Bridge is built across the river Hugli.
Hugli.
Darjeeling, a hill station in the north of West Bengal, also attracts tourists. Shantiniketan in
Shantiniketan.
Shantiniketan in Kolkata has a famous university which has set up by the famous poet Rabindranath Tagore. West Bengal is also famous for the beautiful hand-stitched kantha work which is done on silk and cotton fabric.
और फोन वैसे बंद हो
Okay,
गया
very
चार्ज
nice.
कर लिया फोन बंद है
Mute yourself. Who is not muted? Okay, children, now I have a few questions to ask from the state of West Bengal. Where does West Bengal lie?
I'm in western side.
Eastern part of India.
Mehul, why do you always do that? West Bengal is on the eastern side of India.
Of India. It is situated in the eastern part of India.
Yes, just because the name is West does not mean it is on the western side. Whenever a question is asked, where is West Bengal situated? You have to remember that it is situated on the eastern side of India. Why it is called West Bengal? Because
Ma'am, because it is situated in the
Ma'am, because it is
situated
in the eastern part of India.
eastern side and it is close to the country Bangladesh.
yes,
Now Bangladesh, it is the western part of, you can say, Bangladesh. That is why it is named as West Bengal. West Bengal falls in which country? In our country. And Bangladesh is towards the east of our country. Right?
Yes,
So we call it West Bengal because it is close to Bangladesh.
and ma'am, it is from the eastern side.
Yes, it lies on the eastern side. but on the western side of Bangladesh. That is why it is called West Bengal. Okay. Now wait. Just a minute. Hold on, children.
हाँ डिस्कनेक्ट हो रहा हूँ बार बार। बाहर वाले कमरे में लगा ले, थोड़ा बहुत दिमाग पे चलता होगा। नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं चलता। अम्मू है पागल। हाँ अम्मू अपनी प्लेट लाइयो।
Devansh, can you please mute yourself?
मुझे लाके दे।
Devansh Chaudhary, will you mute yourself? Okay, now children listen. West Bengal, see, we must know this thing, that when in 1947 Bengal was partitioned, that means when Bengal was divided, it was partitioned, the western part went to India and the eastern part went to Pakistan. The western part of Bengal was named West Bengal then. Okay? Because the western part of Bengal came to which country? It came to our country. Bengal. So we named it West Bengal, and the eastern part went where? It went to Pakistan. All right. Now the next one. What? Okay. Not the next one. Just wait. What is the capital of West Bengal?
Ma'am,
Kolkata.
What? Please repeat.
Kolkata.
It is Kolkata. Then we have